Hello everyone! Today I'm going to share with you something a bit different. Because I think I'm not sketching enough, I decided to work a bit more on that to improve my art and my speed as well, and my knowledge of different things and shapes and all. One of the things that I draw a lot are animals, and while I'm pretty good at just copying pictures, drawing animals from reference photos, I wanted to improve my skills and start knowing the anatomy of the animals more. Although I know it, but I'd like to be able to draw animals without looking at reference photos. The first animal I decided to study was a mouse, and I spent a little time looking for different pictures in different poses. Then I picked a couple photos that I liked in particular. I really liked the poses. I thought they were really cute, and I started studying them. I observed the shapes and the angles, and I started drawing mostly the basic shapes. Like this one that I'm drawing right now, there were a lot of circles. So I drew different circles and tried to position them in the right places. And I think I'm going to have to draw this particular pose over and over again to remember where I placed the shapes and the circles, so that next time I want to draw a mouse facing me, then I don't need to look at a picture, because I'll be used to doing it and I'll know how to do it easily. And so I think that's what I'm going to be doing in the next few days and weeks. I'm going to be sketching mice, different positions, different angles, just so that I can remember how to draw them. And maybe it'll be useful later on. I would like to illustrate picture books, and so I think it'll be a nice skill, not necessarily to draw mice, but to do that with many different things, not just animals, but objects as well, and sceneries. So yeah, I think that's a great exercise. So since these are sketches, I tried not to add too many details. The goal is to go fast and get to the point. So I did add a few details just to make the mouse more lively. First, I connected the shapes to make them look more like a mouse. And I just drew or sketched the fur a little bit. And I ended up using I think this lead in my pencil holder. My lead holder is an HB, and later on I ended up using also a 4B, the new one that I got, that I shared with you with my birthday art supplies haul. So anyway, the 4B lead helped me add more depth to my sketch because it's darker, and so I was able to work on the values and add more contrast. And then once I was done with this mouse, I decided to go ahead and draw another one. And the second one is a profile, and it's facing sideways, and it has all 4 feet on the ground, so it's a much different shape. I mostly used ovals this time, and I actually found it was much easier than the one facing me, but it was fun, and I used this exact same technique, and both LEDs, the HB and then the 4B, to add a bit more details later on. I hope you like this demonstration, and I'll probably be posting more, probably not on mice, on other things that I'm practicing on. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.